Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So I know we haven't been in Clarendon in a while, but welcome back. So we're back on the Highway 2000 trail from Pen to Williamsfield leg. That's what we're going to be covering today, so you guys definitely stay tuned. So we're going to start out right here in Pen Mineralites, and we're gonna head towards Mandeville. So the plan is to do about 3 videos, one at the start, one at Tollgate, and one by Melrose Hill bypass. So you guys definitely look out for that. So Pen Highway 2000 updates that is coming to you guys, so stay tuned. As usual, remember to comment, remember to share, like, and definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel. So stay tuned. We know we're going to be flying the drone along the entire length of the highway to show you guys the different toll booths, the different road construction, everything. So you guys don't want to miss nothing. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so this is where the current highway ends. So that's the current highway, and this is the roundabout to head to Mineralites or to head on to Glenmere Road. Right, so that's Glenmere Road in that direction. Cool. So coming off the current highway, this is where you're gonna start or continue on your way to Mandeville, Manchester. So we already have a sign, T1 Toll Road. Alright, so we're gonna start the drone from here, and then we pick up at Fogar Road. So that's the first main road that the highway will go over. And then this is gonna be video 1, the start of the highway along with Fogar Road, and then from there we pick up in Tollgate. We have some toll booths and some other entrance and exits to the highway, and then after that we end the coverage. We can call it tracking Highway 2000. We'll end the coverage in Melrose heading towards Williamsfield, Manchester. So stay tuned, guys. I'll make the video as concise as possible, so stay tuned. Alright, and at the start of the highway going over the Rail Minnow, you're gonna have the widest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. So that's at the start of the highway. So there's a truck coming over right now. So this is gonna be the widest bridge in Jamaica. It's gonna be 4 lanes, and it runs along the current bridge right here. When I set up the drone, I tried to fly along a little better so you guys can see it from an aerial standpoint. So not gonna waste any more time. I know we're here for the visuals. I know we're here to see what's taking place. I haven't been here in a few months, so I'm gonna set up the drone and show you guys as much footage, as much coverage as as I possibly can. So stay tuned, guys. Drone shot is coming up shortly. Alright guys, so we're currently on Foga Road. So this is the first main road that the highway will cross. So we're gonna set up the drone and just give you guys some shots of the highway from this end. So Foga Road, Maypen, Clarendon, and then we're gonna fly towards Mandeville. So we're heading towards Mandeville, so that's the plan. Alright guys, and as usual, remember it's 3 videos. So this is the first one, and then for the second video is where we lift the drone from toll gate, and then from toll gate will be Melrose, close to Williamsfield. So stay tuned, remember to like, comment and share, and after this video you'll have 2 other videos to come as well. So again, I appreciate you guys' support. Stay tuned. So we're gonna set up the drone and close off this first video.